I'm stuck at work very late tonight. The office is quiet. Rain hits the windows. Most people are already home. I finish my last task. I quickly check my work. Then I save everything. I close my computer. And I lean back in my chair. I feel tired but relieved. I'm finally finished. This is an easy English story. Listen and learn. I stand up slowly. I stretch my arms. I put my notebook into my bag. Then I turn off my desk light. The office is dark now. I walk through the quiet hallway. I take the elevator down. The lobby is quiet too. A security worker sits near the door. I hear rain outside the building. I clock out and put on my jacket. Then I walk outside. The cool night air touches my face. It is raining softly. The street is wet. The city lights look beautiful. I want to go home soon. But first I want something warm to eat. There is a convenience store near the station. I walk there slowly. Cars move through the rain. People walk under umbrellas. A train moves above me. Its lights shine in the dark. Soon I arrive. Convenience store is warm and bright. Soft music plays inside. I take a hot drink from the shelf. Then I look at the food. There are sandwiches, noodles, rice balls and soup. Everything looks fresh and warm. I look again. Then I choose hot noodles and a small sandwich. The worker gives me a bag. The food feels warm in my hands. Outside, the rain still falls quietly. I walk to the station and wait for my train. The platform is cold, but I do not mind. I feel relaxed now. Soon the train arrives. I sit near the window. The train moves slowly through the city. Rain hits the glass softly. The city lights shine outside. Everything feels quiet now. I watch the rainy city outside. Finally, I arrive home. I sit near the window. I eat my hot noodles slowly and sip my hot drink. The rain continues outside. It is very late now. I am tired, but I feel calm and comfortable. Today I work very late. The office is quiet and dark. I finish my work and leave the building. Rain falls softly outside. I walk to the convenience store. I buy hot noodles and a hot drink. Then I take the train home. I watch the rainy city from the window. Finally, I eat warm food at home. I feel calm and relaxed. Thank you for listening. Watch another easy English story and continue learning.